Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to buy Bitcoin with Exodus Wallet. First, download and install the Exodus Wallet application on your computer or mobile device. Once installed, open the wallet and create a new one, making sure to set a very strong, unique password. It's crucial to back up your recovery phrase immediately and store it safely offline. This phrase is your only way to restore your funds if you lose access to your device. Now, let's fund your purchase. Inside your Exodus wallet, locate and click on the Exchange tab. Here, you'll select Bitcoin as the cryptocurrency you wish to receive. Next, choose your desired payment method. Options often include linking a bank account, using a debit card, or sometimes even Apple Pay. Be aware that different payment methods may have varying transaction limits and processing times, so pick what works best for you. With your payment method selected, it's time to complete the transaction. Enter the specific amount of Bitcoin you want to buy or the fiat currency equivalent. Before confirming, carefully review all the transaction details displayed, especially the exchange rate and any associated fees. Once you are satisfied, click the Confirm button to initiate the purchase. Your Bitcoin should appear in your Exodus wallet shortly after the transaction processes. To ensure a smooth experience, always double-check the recipient address if you're sending Bitcoin to another wallet. Enabling two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security to your Exodus wallet, which is highly recommended. Remember to only invest what you can afford to lose, as cryptocurrency markets can be volatile. For more great content and deals, including a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, check out the description below this video. Happy investing!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.